Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanj. I am Sanj, and today we are going to talk about how the hormonal cycles stop you from being consistent for a long time, and they fuck up with your mood, with your whole consistency for the entire 2-3 weeks that you've been doing, with the progress that you've made so far, with your goals and your plans. Because okay, so this is from my personal experience, and I have been going to and fro from my consistency journey because of this main reason, that I always get stuck in this phase for a week wherein I don't feel like doing anything, so maybe I resist doing it, and then later on it continues until the next cycle of my inspired and motivation phase comes. And that is why it has been such a disaster. And I noticed this 1 year or 2 years back only, that this has been a pattern. Like, each one of us have our own pattern of not being able to follow the rules, of not being able to go behind our goals, of not being able to progress. Okay, like, the first week of January, I had just done with my periods, and that was 1 week where my brain was so active. I could get ideas like this. My page used to fill so much that I didn't have time to do, you know, follow those ideas. I did not have time to work on those ideas. And now, since today morning, I cannot tell you, I am so sleepy. I am so hungry all the time. Otherwise, I did not eat until afternoon. That was my first meal. Because if I'm following an intermittent fasting, I do not recommend it. You guys can follow your own routine, okay? But that is how it used to be. But this 1 week, my entire diet plan that I've been doing for the past 2 weeks goes into the mud. Like, I eat like crazy and I eat like anything. I do not stop. That is one. Second, any consistency, any progress that I have gained in these 2 weeks, I do not have the courage and the willingness to move forward and to go ahead in the journey of getting even more progress. But this is a different me. This is a different me. Sanj 2025. That is going to be my name. Sanj 2025. I'm not going to do what I've been doing until now. Since morning, even if I'm not willing to do it, I posted a reel. I'm recording this video because then I had a lot of reasons. My tripod's flashlight was not working. I did not have enough storage space. I did not have time. I did not have a space to do, and my hair is completely messy. I am looking completely messy because for some reason, if I'm not feeling good in this time, the entire week my face and my glow is also missing. Okay, so for all of that, this week what will help you is your systems, the systems that you create, the habits that you create. Okay, like, I have created a habit of getting things done even if I don't feel like doing it. That is what an example of discipline is. That is what discipline means, that doing the things even if you don't want to do, and delayed gratification. Once you learn to believe in yourself and to believe in your actions and to believe in the fundamentals of delayed gratification, it is going to get much easier, and you will be able to look further in future, and you will be able to see your visions as well. Because, to be honest, when I before I started this journey of making YouTube videos consistently, improving my business consistently, and going to swimming consistently, and learning crocheting, and all of these, I just knew that I had to do these things. Okay, but what I need to be, how I need to think, what I need to get things done, or the knowledge that I need to gain to get things done, I did not have any of those. But as soon as I started doing things and I went ahead in this journey, I can tell you now I see more clearly. I see more clearly what the things I need to do and the things I need to improve in, and I can see my vision clearly. Like, it is not just somewhere in the air right now. Because this is the problem when I used to start visualizing. I had, because I used to keep on saying, okay, I want 100k followers on YouTube, 100k followers on YouTube, 100k followers on YouTube. but I could not really see it happening because my mind did not see the actions happening. My body did not see the feelings happening. Like my first video, the first video I posted in January got 234 somewhat views, and that is the kind of feeling. No, now I know that feeling. I'm familiar with that feeling. Okay, what does it feel like to have 234 views on a single video, right? So now I know that what it must be feeling like to have 2 lakhs views on my video. Now I have 127 subscribers. Okay, now I know what it must feel like to have 10,000 270 subscribers, because that is how you slowly develop the feeling. You develop through your actions. They say no, that you need to feel it to have it. Feelings do not develop without you getting familiar with the feeling of achieving something. So these small wins will make you familiar with believing in yourself, with trusting yourself, and with authenticity, and taking accountability, responsibility for what you do, where you are, where you want to go, everything. Like, I might sound delusional, but there are 10 jobs, not jobs to be honest. There are 10 career lines that I need to be in, that I want to be in since childhood. And I thought it was all in the air. But then nowadays I'm starting to believe that it was never in the air. It was there within me. I just didn't have the means and the trust and belief in myself to pursue each one of them. Okay. Now, so this, what I did today, I'm going to tell you practically, and which might help you. Okay. So first thing in the morning, when you get up and you're feeling very low, just go for that 10-minute walk. Okay. I got up at 6 today, and I didn't want to go for my daily walk, for my daily 10k steps. So I slept again. But then suddenly, since I have this habit of past 2 weeks of going to walk that particular time, my body made me get up again after 15 minutes. Then I decided to get ready, go for that walk, come back. And all while doing this, my mind was, did not know, like, usually how it works, I have things lined up in my mind only. Okay, now this done, this done, this done, this done, this needs to be done. And all the lists are listed in my mind. But today it was completely blank. Like I was just going for a walk, then I had to ask when I came home. Okay, so what do we do now daily? We post a YouTube video, right? Or we post one reel. Or we draw one small project of a crochet. That is what we do. We write in a journal. Then all these things I named myself, whatever I do, and then I did one by one. So it was like I'm telling myself what to do and then I'm doing it. Usually it is like I'm telling myself from inside, okay, now this needs to be done. So that is what will help you, having a routine. That is where it will come handy. Because then like at around 9:30 I post one reel every day, okay, and then while going to work, then suddenly something popped up in my head. I'm missing something. What needs to be done? And then I remembered, okay, this is the time to post a reel. And why did that happen? So there's a thing called muscle memory, right? So there is thing of memories of everything that you do. That is why they say you fall to the level of your systems. You fall to the level of your habits. Like if every day knowing what I want to do and still I don't do and I binge watch, okay, then on these days also I'm going to be doing the same thing, because that is what I do usually. That is who I am for me. That is my identity. So how can I ever do anything different from that? Okay, so one thing. Second thing, going through my list of whys. Why am I doing this? Why am I posting one YouTube video daily? Why am I speaking in the camera daily? Why am I going to work daily? Why am I being more of me daily? Okay, all of these. And they are extremely important. Okay, because during these times when you don't know who you are, what you are, where you want to be, because let me tell you, the mind goes completely blank. You don't know what you're doing. You don't know where you have to go. You don't know Like you're just there, you just need someone to push you, and you're just exhausted, and it just gets overwhelming at times, and you can't even tell to anybody because boys can't relate to this feeling that I know that I want to be someone, but I just can't remember right now because I just can't comprehend right now. Like I forget words, like you might be seeing in this video consistently there I have been going back and forth to some videos. That is what usually happens. My mind tends to shut down. But no. From this time, I'm not gonna let that stop me from being consistent, and I'm not gonna let you stop yourself as well from being consistent. That is why this topic is something that I'm making a video right now. Definitely, I missed few of the things. Like I was extremely sleepy, so 10 pages or a day I read. I did not read that today, but I'm gonna do that because since I have time, it's still 8:30. I'm gonna read that at 9:30 or before going to bed. 10 pages. That's not a big deal. But since I have been consistent in few of the things, I believe, like saying this also, that's not a big deal. I'm gonna read that before the end of the day. Came from pushing myself the entire day. And let me tell you, I started feeling so nice that I have been dancing through to songs and everything while doing my work. Right now, like the entire day I was a mess. I was mind blocked. I didn't know what I was doing. But now, since evening, it's getting better. I saw the sunset, and since then I think I feel much better because nature really heals me. And so there are a few things like coffee heals. Love your soul loves a coffee. Your soul loves meeting new people. For me, it's exhausting. It is different for different people. If your soul loves meeting a one friend which just lightens up your mood and your day, do that. Do anything and everything during this time that will make you feel a little better. So one more hack that you can do is throughout the day, tell yourself, do these things that you do daily, be consistent. By the evening, I'm going to treat you with this meal with a friend, or with this specific food, or with this specific movie, because it's okay, no? Like rewarding yourself on such days is also very important. So reward yourself, have something to look forward to. Okay, so now my flashlight battery is going. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye. Do not listen to that voice in your head that says that I'm not in a mood, I'm not gonna do it today, or I might start it tomorrow. No, this hormonal cycle is gonna be lasting for your entire life. If you don't learn to take care of it, if you don't learn to take care of you during this time, it's going to be a repeated cycle. Like I'm going through this since I've started my menstruation cycle. There's this might be the reason, that I've started to feel so dumb. Like since then, like because before I was a very fast learner, very quick learner. I used to learn like this, and then suddenly when I reached my 8th, 9th standard, on such days I started to feel this, and then that thing stayed in my head. Okay, not an issue. I've gained myself back. I'm learning to be a woman. I'm learning to handle my mood swings. I'm learning to handle my hormonal imbalances. So we all need to do that. So girls, first thing you need to do is learn to handle these hormonal imbalances. Like first know yourself, who you are during this time. Okay, what are your patterns during this time, and then few small things that you can do, look forward to, that is going to make you feel better and help you keep growing. Bye bye.